to get this started, the reason the screen looks the way it does is because I'm using a screen recorder, which is recording audio through the mic. So I can go through, show you how to edit and stuff with InShot. You can still hear my voice. I can do it in one shot. Just makes it easier, okay? So that's how this is happening right now. InShot is free. You can pay for it. I did pay for it at one point. I'm not paying for it right now, but I did find out that paying for it does get rid of the watermark. And if you already have a project that is open in that program, in that app, that you can edit on it and it won't have the watermark even after you no longer have the paid version. So that's a little heads up. But let's jump into this, all right? So, all right, this is what InShot looks like. We're gonna open video, new. I already know what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna grab this one right here. This is for something that's upcoming. Okay, why is that a thing? Yeah, you see right there, the InShot, right? The watermark. Now, what I'm gonna do instead is this. 8 drafts. We will open this, okay? I'm going to start by clearing this out. So, going over to delete, click on the next one, see how there's that white outline, delete again. Gonna hold, I pressed and held on it, and that's how what happened, right? So delete. Now, oh, it won't let me delete that one because that's fine. So gonna add this, go down here for that, grab that up. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that should be it. Why is that in there though? I'm confusing myself for no reason. Alright. Not those, not those, not those. Is it that? Where's that one I shot? Well, we'll use this one instead. I really don't care. Okay? So, what I'm going to do now is show you how to do text. So we added a video. Actually, I'm going to do this first. Get rid of this other part, right? So, going to just tap on that again. Bring it all the way back. I'm just pulling on it with my thumb. All right, let's see. Text, see that right there? Now, if you want to add text, you hit the text plus button right there. Write out whatever you want. Doesn't matter what it is. I'm just going to use example. Why not? All right, so see those letters right there? You can do that. You can change the text however you want. And then next to it, right, you see where that red dot is? Text size. Stuff like that. So right there, I'm just pulling to the right, pulling to the left. The middle one right there, I'm pulling on that. Well, it's happening a little bit now. But not seeing a big change with that one. And that one spaces it out, right? So, there you go. Now, you saw I clicked the check mark. I'm going to click it again. Now, just play real quick. So, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another video part, right? And I want it to be after this one. So I'm going to just tap on it. See the outline? There we go. Clicking the plus. And go video, photo. We'll do not that one, not that one. Wait, it has to be that one, right? Actually, we'll do that one. Right there. Now, oops, I brought it in before instead of after. See, it's not where I want it to be. So I held down on it. This pops up. Now I'm going to hold down on the one on the left and bring it over to the right. Drag it over. Boom. Now, that's how I want that. I'm going to click on the one on the right because I'm about to do something else. So I'm going to click on it again. This comes up. I'm going to move it a little forward. Now I'm going to add another photo video. Okay? So, why am I doing it this way? It might seem kind of weird or dumb or whatever, but I used BandLab and not the paid version, right? So the free version, and I used the screen recorder for it as well. Now I made something over there, recorded, set the recorder up to record, then played what I had recorded. So what I'm doing right now is paying attention for that to be able to edit, and then we're going to take the audio off the video. So let me move this back. Back a little more. Okay. We're going to split right here. So you'll see this moving, split right there. Now, the end part of that is if I press delete, that's what's going to be deleted. So we aren't going to do that. We're going to just tap back here, right? I know I keep saying we are when this is what I'm doing. So I did that. You see the outline, delete. Okay. Now, you see that moving? I'm going for audio. Now, I'm clicking on this part right of that line. So it's going to be that part right there, extract. Now, I'm going to bring, press on the audio thing and bring it back, right? Now, I could do it in a different order, but I'm going to get that audio a little bit better. Should be okay. Should be alright. So bring that back. Now, I'm going to start editing the video. I know this part where I'm setting up the camera in there, so I'm going to bring that back to right here. I'm going real slow with my thumb, and I'm just pushing it to the left right now. So I'm going to go to split. I'm going to delete this first part. Which deleted the text as well. That's alright. I can re-add the text. I just want to do that to show you how to do it. So now it's time to start chopping it. So what I did is right when that symbol hit, I stopped it. I'm going to split. Now, I'm going to come over to this other part, which is, actually I'm going to do this first. I'm going to get rid of this because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to And I know that this looks dumb, but it's part of the second episode of the mockumentary series, right? So it is dumb looking or whatever, but it serves a purpose. So now I'm going to drag this back, play it from the beginning. Alright, so right there will work. So I'm splitting again. I'm going over to this first scene again, dragging it over. Split. And now this is just for two. I'm not telling you this is how you need to do it or whatever, but this is just part of how I've done it. So we'll play this so far. Alright, so like I said, that might seem dumb or whatever, but it is what it is. Now, what I'm going to start doing is using a filter. So I press filter, as you can see, that popped up. I'm going to go on this second portion. Go dark. And with that, I'm going to hit the check mark. Bring it back to the beginning. You know what? Just for the hell of it, gonna try a different effect. One that I never use. Gonna test some out. Okay, so if I can't use those, that's fine. Moody's not gonna be a thing. Yeah, I'll use Duo. Why not? Normally I wouldn't be using these, but for the heck of it, right now I am. I'm just showing you what you can do. And that's in no time whatsoever. So, as far as voiceovers, there are ways to do that as well. Alright, say that you wanted to add a voice over something. I don't know if I'll be able to because I'm recording right now, but I'll show you how you do it regardless, right? So, audio, record. We'll see if it works. Now, hope, nope. So I tried and it would not let me. Make sure. Okay. Yeah, and it would not let me. So, but that's how you do it. And that's how you can do voiceovers and all that. Okay. So going to just click there, that's fine. You can split audio as well. So we'll go over to audio. I'll click on that, split. You can see it's split in two right there. You can do that if you want. I don't need to, so I'm going to press that back arrow. But there you go. So you had to do text, how to split stuff, move stuff around. That's a lot of what it is. How to extract audio. Let me think. There's nothing here that I have for green screen, but I usually don't green screen. So, let me think. What else can I show you real quick? We're going to effects because why not? So, bright, pink, latte. You're seeing this. So I already did these. No, I don't want vintage on that. So I'm gonna edit original. Okay. Thinking what else? Here we go. Effects. That's right. So not what I'm looking for. You know, these are okay. Not anything that I'm really looking to use. I mean, if you want to, go ahead. I'm not using these personally, but there you go. More options. You can do stuff with green screen on this as well. Some of the stuff on here I'm checking out because I don't really use it. Okay, I see. Somebody could use something like that. I'm not going to, but there are options, as you are seeing. So yeah, there's a lot you can do for free. Hopefully that helps you a little bit. Oh, actually, let's go to export. So, I'm not actually going to export this, but that's how you do it. Export in the top right corner. Then you hit export again. You see it's MP4, 30 frames per second at 1080. So, there you go. That's how you do it. And then also, if you were to back out from here, arrow at the top, it's saved. So yeah, it is pretty easy overall. There's not a lot to it. It's just becoming comfortable with it. Really, the main things I use are let's split and delete, to be completely honest with you. That and audio extraction. Those are the three things that I use constantly. I use text sometimes as well. Actually, I've used text a lot in the not last two, but in half the ones I've done. So there's that. But honestly, to get started, that's about all you need. You don't need green screen or anything else. I will probably do another one on how to add animation and everything like that with another free program. But for now, yeah, I think that this is good for now.